1 3/4 inch TDU belt from 511 is a quick and convenient tactical or patrol belt that excels in a wide range of environments. This belt can quickly be converted into a secure tie-down or a secondary carry strap, engineered with strengthened nylon webbing and triple-stitch reinforcements to be fade and rip resistant. The 511 TDU belt incorporates a durable non-metallic buckle that won't set off metal detectors, making it an ideal choice for air travel. Ergonomic, affordable, and highly functional, the TDU belt is a versatile addition to your tactical or duty wardrobe. This is the 511 1 3/4 inch TDU belt.